Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I know it's of course fine. So, are you ready to make something again with Miss Yushi? Yes? So today, we're going to make, ta-da! This is a yellow duck. Quack, 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 quack. So today we're going to make this art and craft of yellow duck. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it with me. So I have white paper, I have cotton board, I have the small toilet paper like this, I have uhu glue, a colorful crayon like this, and scissors. Let's get the toilet paper and then the yellow crayon, and we can color like this. If you don't have the yellow crayon, you can also use yellow paint, so you can paint this toilet paper with yellow. Okay, next we get the cotton board and the yellow toilet paper that we already color, and we have to put the glue around here, and we will stick it on the cardboard like this. Okay, and let it dry. You can cut the cotton board, follow the shape. Paper, and we start to draw with yellow crayon. We draw the wings, one, and we draw the head, circle, draw the beak, and don't forget the little hair, and the feet. You use the orange crayon. 1, 2. You can color it. After finish coloring, we have to cut it. Now I already cut it, and it's time to stick it to the toilet paper with uhu glue. Now the yellow duck is done, and look, wow, it can become a holder, so you can put something here. You can put your pencil or your marker. Okay, so I will put my marker inside there. Ta-da! It's fun, right, to make this art and craft of yellow duck. So now you already have the new marker holder like me. Look, and I'm so happy to have this new marker holder. Now you can do it with your mommy and daddy at home, and we will see you again next time. Okay, bye.